this is Brenda Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is France. I'll be trying a recipe for chocolate lava cake. So let's get started. To start, I have some water boiling right now. I'm going to create a double boiler. So bowl on top. And I have 80 grams of 70% chocolate, dark chocolate. And I have 5 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm just going to stir this until it completely melts. So once it melts, take it off the heat and set it aside. Now we're going to whisk the eggs. So I have 2 eggs. One-third cups of sugar. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now we're going to whisk this until it's pale in color. So it became pale in color. You can see that. Now let's go to the next step. So I have my chocolate out. I'm just going to add a little bit of chocolate at a time. And just mix it in. More chocolate. Mix it in until you completely finish all your chocolate. So once your chocolate's well mixed together, then we're going to add AP flour, and I have a 1/4 of a cup of flour. So I'm going to add actually I should stiff it first. Going to add a little bit at a time and then mix it. So once it's mixed, now let's get our ramekins ready. Now to get our ramekins ready, all you need is some butter, and just make sure you get all of it, bottom, the sides, with butter. And after you do that, you want to get some flour and just dust it. And after you're done, just throw away the excess flour. So once they're all done, you want to fill your ramekins now. You want to fill it like 80% of it. So I already preheated my oven at 350 Fahrenheit, and this might take 10-12 minutes. So it's time to take the lava cake out of the molds. They're really hot, only been like a couple minutes. So I'm gonna try to take one out. Hopefully it doesn't get destroyed. Flip it out. That's hot. Looks beautiful. Now I'm just gonna add brown sugar right on top. Time for the taste test. Hopefully this came out good. So a little drip there. Definitely give this recipe 10 out of 10. I just love chocolate, especially a chocolate lava cake. Perfect. Everything about the dessert, I just love it. But it was really hard getting the perfect lava cake. You can see here it's still a little like fudgy. I was looking for like the one that just drips out. I think I baked it a little too long. This is like my second attempt of doing it. My first attempt came out like a cake texture. So the second time I did like a more time, and it came out a little bit more fudgy in the middle. Maybe next time I'll do a couple more less, but that's the only thing you have to be careful of. Overall, this dessert's so delicious. Totally recommend you guys try the recipe, and if you do, comment below. And like always, I see you guys at my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.